Well, now they deliver packages even on Sunday, so let's see what we got here. Have a couple of action camera suction cup mounts, which come really handy for all the work I do. Let's see what we got here. Wet wipes, couple of instructions for it. Let's see, pretty basic stuff. So it has several mounts. This is for the phone, obviously, the GoPro. Oh, and even it has a little handle, because sometimes you put it somewhere outside the car, you want to attach it to it to make sure that if it falls, it doesn't go too far away. So this is really good. So let's see how this goes. I'm gonna say here. Let's see here. This one goes in here. Get rid of this. This one you can use for the phone. It has a protective base, because these suction cups have to be really clean and they cannot have any cracks or anything. So it has that. Let me bring the phone. So here it is. Looks really good. Let's see a quick test here. Oh, and you switch it, and it has even a symbol here to lock and unlock. So it looks really good quality. I like it. I'm gonna try it on a car tomorrow. We get a new car every Monday, so that's perfect. And I actually needed to upgrade my equipment because some of the suction cups that I have are really old. The plastic is cracking, so that's really dangerous. This is handy also to drive. This is another model. By the way, the company is MaecTech. Oh, this is a little bit more heavy duty. So this one is the one you attach with a super powerful suction cup there. It also has the multiple ways, the GoPro or the phone, and another string to hang it. Oh, I put it on both sides. So this one goes back here, or maybe it's this one here. Wow, this is more heavy duty, really good quality too. Wow. So I'll try these two tomorrow, doing a new video for a car. But so far so good. Really good product. I just landed here in Atlanta for a quick visit, and I have the directions for my hotel here on the phone. I could have put it on the Navi, but this is another great use for these mounts, because now I just put it here. So there you go, I have it there perfectly positioned, and we're rolling.
At the light, turn left onto Camp Creek Parkway.
I'm definitely gonna be using these mounts a lot for filming the cars and using them for the mount. I can also use the camera in the phone to film myself, so really useful equipment. So now I changed the position to the left side of the windshield, and it's more convenient. I can still look at the screens here, and I have it pretty well fixed, secure there. Here we go.
Then use the right lane to take a slight right turn toward Atlanta and I-85 North.
Okay, here we are, and now we just unlock it and take it off.